Hi, my name is Sofia from Aurora Middle School, and today we are doing hands-on equations. So this is opposite of x is the white pawn. The blue pawn is x. This green cube is negative, and this red cube is positive. So the problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. And I have my problem set up. And so what we're going to want to do, since right here there's 7 and there's 3, take 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3, and we get 4. Then over here we have x, so we have 4x and 2x, but since there's the same thing on each side, so we can take them and get rid of them. So that means x equals 2. So our next problem is opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So I have my problem set up, and this is the same on both sides, so we're going to take this away. And then, since right here, 3 and 5, negative 3 is lower than positive 5, so we're going to take this here and this one here. Don't put them on. We're going to take this pair 0 and take it out. And so now this is 7, and we're trying to get rid of these, and so we're going to add a blue pawn to each side. Okay, and so now we can take these pairs of zeros, and now we have 7 divided by 4. It's 8. Oh, I mean 8 divided by 4. That's 2. So x equals 2. So the next problem is opposite of 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. Okay, so the blue pawn is the lesser, so we're going to take one white pawn and add to each side, and then we're going to remove the blue pawn. And since positive 2 is lower than negative 10, in this case we're going to add negative 2 to each side, and then we're going to take away. And so now what's left is negative 12 and opposite of 4x. So x should equal 3, or negative 3.